Did you know the food on your plate could be the missing piece to faster healing? I've seen patients struggle with wounds that just wouldn't heal until we took a closer look at their nutrition. What you eat is like fuel for your body's repair system, and if you're not giving it the right tools, healing slows down. Today, I'll show you how your diet can strengthen your immune system and supercharge your recovery. For those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Voltaire, a wound care physician with years of experience helping people recover from injuries and chronic wounds. I've seen firsthand how proper nutrition can turn things around for patients. And today, I'm here to share exactly what I've learned so you can use this knowledge for better healing and a stronger immune system. By the end of this video, you'll know how nutrition directly impacts healing, the top nutrients your body needs, and practical tips you can start using today to make every meal work for your health. Let's dive in. Your immune system is like a team of superheroes working round the clock to fight off infections and repair damage. But even superheroes need fuel, and that's where nutrition comes in. Think of your body like a construction site. Every time you get a cut, scrape, or wound, your immune system sends in workers, white blood cells, growth factors, and platelets to start the repair process. But without the right building materials, vitamins, minerals, and proteins, those workers can't do their job efficiently. So what are the key ingredients your body needs to heal faster and fight infections? Let's break it down. Protein is your body's main building material. Without it, your immune cells and tissues can't regenerate. Include foods like eggs, chicken, beans, or tofu in every meal to keep your healing process on track. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, which is essential for skin and tissue repair. So think citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers for a quick vitamin C boost. Zinc helps activate enzymes that repair damaged cells and supports immune function. You'll find it in nuts, seeds, whole grains, and shellfish. Vitamin A strengthens your skin's barrier, keeping harmful bacteria out. Add sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach to your plate for a vitamin A boost. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and give your body the energy it needs to heal. So think fatty fish like salmon or plant-based sources like chia seeds and walnuts. Let's do a quick test. Out of these three foods, oranges, salmon, and rice, which one helps reduce inflammation? If you said salmon, you're right. Omega-3s are amazing for calming down your immune system's overreaction, speeding up healing. Now let's talk about what happens when your diet doesn't provide what your body needs. Without enough protein, your wounds take longer to close. Low vitamin C, collagen production slows, leaving your tissues weaker. Scurvy is an example of a disease secondary to low vitamin C. And too much sugar or processed food, that can lead to chronic inflammation, which is like throwing a wrench in your body's repair system. Snack smart. Swap chips for nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit to keep your energy up and your body fueled for healing. Nutrition isn't just about feeling good, it's about healing better and faster. By giving your body the right tools, you're setting yourself up for success, whether you're recovering from a wound or just trying to stay healthy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out my next one on more wound care tips. Stay informed and heal well.